Today in this interview guidance video, we'll teach you how to answer the difficult interview question. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? This is a tough but common interview question generally asked by the interviewer. More than 85% candidates answer give to the difference between to qualify and reject. If you have any upcoming interviews soon for any role or company, please stay tuned because the strategies and the sample answer I am going to provide you is useful to pass the interview at first attempt. First, here I am going to discuss or tell you 5 reasons why this question asked by the interviewer. To answer this question, it must understand why has been asked by the interviewer. Second, I will tell you what not to include in this answer. Third, how to answer this question by strategies and tips. Fourth, some sample answers I will provide you which help you in the job interview. Okay, let me tell you the 5 reasons why this question, where do you see yourself in next 5 years, is asked by the hiring manager. Please note down all these properly. When interviewer asks you, why do you see yourself in next 5 years, they want to understand the several key traits. First, goal and vision. They want to see if you have a clear, achievable goal and a vision for your professional future. Second, commitment. They are evaluating if you see a long-term future with their organization and if you intend to stay with the company. If you say you have a plan to change the company after 5 years or within 5 years, you will not get to selected. Third, alignment. They check if your future aspirations align with the company's direction and opportunity. They want to assess your plan for future growth and development. If you say what you contribute in this role and your plan of action to develop professionally in coming next 5 years, the chances of your selection is high. Fourth, potential. They look for your potential to take on a greater responsibilities or leadership roles. Fifth, cultural fit. They want to know if your personal values and career aspirations match the company's culture and values. Understanding these points help you tailor your response to show your ambition, commitment and alignment with the company's vision, making you a valuable long-term asset. Okay, let's move forward to the next. What not to include in this answer? Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? Avoid including these followings. First, do not say you don't know what you will be doing in next 5 years. Second, avoid mentioning impractical goals that may seem unachievable and disconnected from the job you are applying for. Third, don't give vague or generic answers that lack clear direction. Fourth, avoid mentioning plans to move on to another company or industry. Fifth, focus on professional objectives rather than personal life. Sixth, do not say you want to be set where they are sitting in next 5 years. This is gonna be so funny. Seventh, avoid suggesting you expect to be promoted too quickly, which can come across as presuming. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can present a focused, realistic and company-aligned vision for your future. Okay, next part of this video, I will tell you how you can answer this question, where do you see yourself in next 5 years, effectively by using these 5 strategies and things. Please pen down all these things. First, plan to work with the companies for the next 5 years either in the same role with more responsibility or in a promoted senior position, ensuring a good return on investment for my salary. Second, take advantage of the company's training and development courses for continually improvement and enhance my skills, adding value to the organization. Third, gain experience in different departments to diversify my skills, contribute effectively to the company's long-term strategic goal. Fourth, increasing my professional network within the industry and platform like LinkedIn to stay aware of opportunity and access industry expertise benefiting my employer. Fifth, aim to become an expert in a specialized area, providing the companies with a highly qualified and productive team member to help achieve market leadership. Okay, let me share with you a sample answer to this question. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? Please note down properly. The sample answer is, in the next 5 years, I see myself going within this company, taking on increasing level of responsibility and contributing significantly to our team's success. I aim to develop my skills in, you can mention here, a specific area relevant to the job, and gain expertise that will allow me to lead projects and mentor newer team members. My goal is to become a, you can mention here, a desired position where I can leverage my skills and experience to drive innovative solutions and the company achieve its strategic goal. I am particularly excited about, you can mention here, a specific project or company initiative, and I see myself playing a key role in its development. I am committed to continuous learning and plan to take advantage of any training opportunity the company offers, particularly in, you can mention here, relevant skills or certification. I believe that by growing both professionally and professionally, I can make a significant contribution to the company's success and be an asset in the long term. Overall, I am excited about the potential to growth here and look forward to contributing to the company's vision and success over in the next 5 years. So like this, you can answer to this question effectively. In the final thoughts, I can say tailoring your answer to reflect your genuine career aspiration while aligning them with the company's goal demonstrate foresight, ambition and commitment to mutual growth. This approach will make your answer compelling and memorable to interviewers. So this is for all today. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.